First of all, I'd like to establish that there is good and bad acid in our bodies. Gastric acid is good. It's important to break down and digest foods. Hugely important for mineral absorption. In fact, many people out there are dealing with deficiencies because of low gastric acid production. Gastric acid also provides a natural barrier so that pathogens cannot enter our system easily. But what we are focusing on here today is systemic acidity, which is the bad kind in our system, especially if it, over the years, slowly accumulates in our bodies. I would think you would all agree the environment we live in is crucial for our health, right? If you were a bicycle courier in Beijing, downtown LA or Toronto, exposed to smog every day, you wouldn't do so well long term. Our outside environment, diet, stress, and lifestyle are the key factors that create the inside environment for our cells. If blood, lymph, and connective tissue are loaded with waste, then our cells wouldn't do so well either within their immediate environment. Today we know chronic inflammatory conditions of joints, tendons, tissues, and the skin, like some types of eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, but also acne and collagen breakdown, so-called cellulite, are all fueled by systemic acidity. And here's significant proof. This study connected the presence of stress-induced acidity to an increased release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. These are signaling proteins that trigger the inflammatory chain reaction. The maintenance of our blood pH has highest priority within our biochemistry. Blood pH has to stay within its very narrow window of 7.35 to 7.45 to protect cells and enzymes in all tissues of the body, including the brain. If the blood gets too acidic, we would quickly perish from a condition called acidosis. A healthy body uses bicarbonate and phosphate dibasic salts to balance fluctuating blood pH levels. To me, our blood can be compared to a Newton's cradle. Nutrients, oxygen, hormones, and waste get added in on one side and pop right out the other end, into the lymph system or directly into connective tissues and cells. On the other way around, once you start cleansing and detoxing, waste from those peripheral tissues kind of travels via lymph back into the blood so that liver and kidneys can do their job and cleanse the body of it.